Let us see how you can connect Razorpay payment gateway using native WhatsApp ecosystem. First of all, go to the channel section, click on the WhatsApp icon here and go to WA Manager. Now, on the left hand side, you'll see the option of payment configurations. Click on India here and then click on New Configuration. Click on Get Started. Select the gateway as Razorpay. Click on Next. Enter the config name. Select appropriate category of your business. If you're not exactly aware about this, you can simply search for computer software. Select the purpose code. If you're not aware about it, simply ignore it and click on test purpose code. Now click on next. Enter your Facebook password here. Click on confirm. Now click on this link icon here and click on connect now and next. Now this will take you to Razorpay. Here you need to enter your Razorpay details. It will give you the option to authorize WhatsApp payments. Click on authorize. And click on go to business manager. This might take a few minutes. Now it will show you the status as needs testing. Click on the settings icon and click on test. Once the configuration is successful, kindly remember your payment configuration from here, which you have entered earlier. Now, go to the payment section. Go to the option of payment gateways. Click on add gateway. Select the option of WhatsApp payments. Enter a name for your reference. Enter the payment configuration name. Select the payment gateway and click on save. Once the payment configuration is created, you can now use Razorpay via the WhatsApp payments option. Thank you.